friends, in this video we are going to see a problem based on parallel AC circuit. The problem statement is like this: two impedances 14 plus j5 ohm and 18 plus j10 ohm are connected in parallel across 200 volt 50 hertz supply. Determine first admittance of each branch and of the entire circuit. Second, current in each branch and total current. Third, power and power factor of each branch. Fourth, total power factor. And in fifth, we are supposed to draw a phasor diagram. A very simple problem. Let's see its solution. Two impedances. So I will represent impedance like this, having the value 14 plus j5 for Z1 and Z2 equal to 18 plus j10 ohm are connected in parallel across 200 volt 50 hertz supply. So let's calculate a first part, admittance. So admittance of first branch Y1 equal to 1 upon Z1. So this is equal to 1 upon 14 plus J5. So if you solve, you will get Y1 equal to 0.0633 minus J 0.0226. It's admittance, so unit is mho. So this is Y1. We can get a polar form of Y1 also. So the polar form of Y1 equal to 0.0673 at an angle minus 19.65 degree mho. Henceforth, we will be using polar form of Y1. Similarly, I can get Y2. So Y2 equal to 1 upon Z2, and Z2 they have given as 18 plus J10. So if I solve, I will get 0.0425 minus J 0.0236, unit is mho. Let's convert this into a polar form. So in polar form, Y2 equal to 0.0486 at an angle minus 29.05 degree, unit is mho. Now let's get total admittance YT. It's nothing but in a parallel circuit, admittances get added. So I can say YT equal to Y1 plus Y2. So that is equal to Y1 is 0.0673 at an angle minus 19.65 plus 0.0486 at an angle minus 29.05. So if we solve, I will get YT equal to 0.1058 minus J 0.0462 mho. So in rectangle form, this will be the value. If I get a polar form, total admittance equal to 0.1155 at an angle minus 23.59 degree, unit is mho. So first part of a problem is over. Let's go to second part, calculation of currents. So I1 equal to, here being a parallel circuit, what I can say, current I1 is nothing but V divided by Z1. Similarly, I2 is nothing but V divided by Z2. So I can say I1 equal to V divided by Z1. I know 1 upon Z1 is Y1, so it's V into Y1. So V is 200 and Y1 is 0.0673 at an angle minus 19.65. So if you solve, you will get I1 equal to 13.46 at an angle minus 19.65 ampere. Similarly, I can get I2. So I2 equal to V upon Z2. So once again 1 upon Z2 is Y2. So V into Y2 is nothing but I2. V is 200. Y2 we have calculated as 0.0486 at an angle minus 29.05. So after solving this, I will get branch current to I2 equal to 9.72 at an angle minus 29.05 ampere. It's a parallel circuit. What does that mean? I1 and I2 addition is nothing but I total. So total current in the circuit IT equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 we have calculated as 13.46 at an angle minus 19.65 and I2 is 9.72 at an angle minus 29.05. So after solving this, I will get total current in the circuit IT equal to 23.1041 at an angle minus 23.59 ampere. This is a second part of a question. Let's address the third part. Third part is related to power and power factor. So power in the first branch is nothing but I1 square R1, because we know only resistance is responsible for power consumption. So I1 is 13.46 and R1 they have given us 14. So if we solve, we will get power consumed by first branch is 2.5364 kilowatt. Similarly, power consumed by second impedance is I2 square R2. I2 is 9.72 and R2 is 18. After solving this, I will get power consumed 1.7006 kilowatt. Now let's calculate the power factor. So power factor 1 is nothing but cos phi 1, which is nothing but cosine of phi 1. Phi 1 is nothing but angle of I1. So that is minus 19.65. So that will give me answer 0.9418. Since current lags because of the minus sign, so nature of power factor is lagging. Power factor of second branch is cos phi 2 equal to cos angle of I2 is minus 29.05. So if you solve, you will get 0.8742. Being a negative angle means current lags voltage. So power factor nature is lagging. Third part of answer. Let's go to next part, that is fourth part, where they have asked power factor of the circuit. So power factor of the circuit I will represent as PFC equal to cos 5C. So 5C is nothing but angle made by total current with a reference, and that angle is minus 23.59 degree. So if you solve, you will get power factor of the circuit equal to 0.9164. Angle is negative, that means it will lag voltage. So therefore, nature of power factor is lagging. And the last part, drawing a phasor diagram. So it's a parallel circuit. So what I will take, voltage as a reference phasor. That means voltage will be like this along the positive x-axis, and all the quantities will be with respect to this voltages, meaning I1. So I1 is 13.46 at an angle minus 19.65. So minus 19.65, it will be like this. So angle made here is 19.65 degree. Now second current is I2, and I2 value is 9.72 at an angle minus 29.05. So minus 29.05 and having the magnitude 9.72 will be like this. So angle of I2 with voltage is 29.05 degree. What we should have? Addition of I2 and I1, obviously phasor addition. Phasor addition of I1 and I2 I will get as I total, and the angle of I total with Vs will be 23.59 degree. So being a parallel circuit, voltage I have taken as a reference, and with respect to voltages, all the currents I have marked in a phasor diagram. Thank you.